How to change Roblox region, country and location. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Roblox application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on the more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here select on settings, then tap on account info. As you tap on account info, what you need to do is simply scroll down the page over here that loads up. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if you do not have a Wi-Fi or stable connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Now as you scroll down, you can see the option of account location. So there's no direct option to change over here. You can just tap on it, but it doesn't move. So what you can do is simply drag down to the very bottom, or you can see there's no option over here. So what you can do is simply go back and then simply tap on help and safety over here. So what you can do over here is simply tap on search our article over here and simply tap on location. So it will definitely give us different options of changing your location or something like that. So here you can simply select account location. As you tap on it, you can see and scroll down, and here you can see that if you would like to submit a request to change your location, please contact Roblox support through the support form. So tap on support form, and as you tap on support form, it will take us to a new page where you'll be able to see that you have to enter certain details about yourself, your account, so that you can change your region, country or location for Roblox. So you just have to give some details and you'll be done. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.